May pa sunstorm mga bes. Ayan, sunstorm. Parang foggy day lang pag sunstorm. Pero maamoy mo yung dust ng mga sun. Parang ganun. Alam mo pinagsasabi ko. It's delikado pag mag-drive pag full blast yung sunstorm. At ngayon mga bes, may pa sunstorm. Medyo mabaho sa ilong pero I like it. Wow, it's too dark outside. It's only 9 in the or 10 in the AM, but it's just like so afternoon. And this is how it goes when you get a sunstorm in here today in Alhasa. And yesterday was last night it was a rainy night, and today it was a sunstorm day. It was a stormy day, and this is how the storm it goes here in Saudi Arabia. It's just like a dust of sand. It's like a powdery smell of sand, and it's spread out everywhere. When you're driving to this and it is a full blast, it's so dangerous. You need to turn on your lights, your headlights. And that's by now. Here in the Al Mall, they got a program for the kids with the Down syndrome, and it's good that their country is supporting for the Down syndrome people, and it is here they get a program. It's so nice. They support all the Down syndrome kids to educate them and to encourage them to have fun in life and to be more productive in life. And so nice. A colored toys for these kids, but I cannot show you their program because it is prohibited to take a video on them and to post it into the multimedia. So today it is 11:30 in the afternoon, and wow, it's just like the awakening. Just like more zombies are coming in, and the vampire is on. This is so crazy. You cannot see through far away on it. The sunstorm is on. It's just like the zombie is getting on. Wow, it's so weird for me. At sa ngayon tanghalian na naman, may coffee ako at ito lang yung ulam ko at kanin. Ganyan lang kadami yung kinakain ko for today because mamaya ko ano pagkakainin namin. So that's how it is, and we're gonna have a workshop in here. Colors of Saudi Arabia. Well, I don't know if it is a photo or photographing workshop or what else. I'm curious on it. But today they are fixing this. Well, gonna watch out for tonight. I need one of this in my room. May pa-disco. Ang ganda sa room nito. This one is a dope. Look at that. When you press in here, it will turn on the light. It's only touch like that, and you can change the color of it. You can turn it off, only touch. You can turn off this one by touching like that. Oops, it will brighter and brighter and will close. So a little bit dim, will brighter and brighter, and it will close. It will turn it off. This one, just a little bit touch, and you can turn the color into a red, orange, yellow, and green, and also blue and violet. This is so cool. I like this one. Hello. Hi.
Ibig sabihin nakatali pa yung ulo.
They are so cute. Mag-clock in sa umaga para magtrabaho. way back in the reality, and today is gonna be the implementation of the buy to get one. And now at the top where we put these banners, and we dig these banners to find the buy to get one banners, and now we got it, 3 pieces of banners. So we're going to put that back up there where it belongs, here. So we can dig it now. Today it is Tuesday and March 21, 2017, and we're gonna implement the buy to get one, but now we're gonna take off all these danglers in here at the bottom, and we're gonna take all of this, and then we're gonna hang the danglers. Supposed to be a buy to get one for now, but we don't receive any of it, maybe tomorrow or tonight. So maybe this one for tomorrow, because we are going to implement the buy to get one, and segregation of the items is still on from the ladies department, because they did not segregate yesterday, because we are segregating in the other section. But now they're going to segregate the girls the ladies section, and mumble. So today we're gonna implement the buy to get one. Look at this bike, it has a big wheel on it. Wow, I like it. It's worth around 500 reals. Wow. And this one, it's only 320 reals. So you got red and blue colors. Parang sarap magbike. Just like I want to have a bike. This is for kids. This one is awesome. I like it. So much tired today, and eating this thing, I took the danglers off from the ceiling, and then now segregation and display for the youths ladies section, and I want to take sleep, but I cannot sleep because I am busy and I need to take food because I need more energy. And this kind of work so like parang panday yung trabaho, too much hard work, but well, I'm gonna relax and eat by now for around a few minutes, and then gonna drink a tons of water, and then go back to the floor, and then gonna work my ass hard at it. And yeah, so hard. That's the bad thing, during implementation of the new promo or sale or whatever season that we got here in the store. So we need to fix the layout, or follow the lookbook or whatever that they gave into us, task or anything about the store, and then the visual merchandiser will do the to visualize all the floor and units, walls, everything. And that's so hard. It takes a lot of work to do it. So you need to have more energy and more power, and you need to sleep. But I cannot sleep during night because I'm watching a lot of video editing and try to make a new things in my video, and try to do a lot of things, different way, out of the box. And that's what I do by now. Ciao. By now I'm here at the back store and looking for this. It is all danglers. This is danglers for the promo and for the special offer, and this is for the voucher. Also this is for the sale, and some of this for the sale, and this is all that we need. So wow, I'm gonna take this off and then gonna take this one, and this is for the buy to get one. Well, but actually this is the old danglers, so we need to put them because they don't give us the new danglers, and it should be a yellow one. But if we receive the yellow danglers, we're gonna take this off from the ceiling, and then we're gonna install it, the yellow one, if we receive that. And so crazy, it's double work, whatever. buy to get one that we're going to install tomorrow.
Pumayag siyempre.
And it's so very hard day today because of this buy to get one, but we need to fix this tomorrow. Tomorrow is also a busy day.
Yung bayad dito, cancel.
So we get home and I'm eating this. And I need to prepare and to wash my clothes. Prepare my food and then wash my clothes by watching this. Because Haley does all things. It's a vlog, her vlog. And we'll prepare foods. We'll sleep early because tomorrow is gonna be a hard day tomorrow. That's it. Bye for now. Isa na manok. Ginisa manok tapos lagyan ng pineapple.
Then lumuha yung mata ni Slide.
Lagyan ng toyo. Konti lang, huwag masyadong maalat. Tapos lagyan ng Maggi Sabor.
Pupus niya
Mamit ako dito.
May page siya.
Tapos haluan kayo mamaya sugar. I-caramelize. Pero mamaya pa yun. Wait lang. Turn up the heat para mag-caramelize po yung chicken pineapple natin. Caramelized chicken pineapple. Yan po ang title ng niluluto ko. May title po yan. And yan, luto na. Mabango caramelized chicken caramel with pineapple. So yan pong ulam ko bukas. At yun na. Tapos na.